Hello, and I'm Colette. I've been in freelancing for over 10 years and I've earned more than $1 million on Upwork. I know firsthand how impactful remote work can be. I also understand the challenges of starting out, especially when it feels like you need years of experience to land a remote job. But guess what? That's not the case anymore. There are plenty of remote job opportunities in 2025 where you don't need tons of experience. All you need is just the right skills and mindset. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best no experience remote jobs that you can get into right now. Plus, I will show you how to find them, share tips on how to make yourself a standout applicant. Stay tuned because I will also be giving you some free resources to help you get started. You won't want to miss this. Before you dive in, let me remind you, working remotely has been a total game changer for millions of people. Imagine not having to worry about commuting or office politics. Remote work is the perfect way to reclaim your time and, most importantly, your freedom. No experience, no problem. You might be worried that with no experience, you won't be able to stand a chance. But trust me, you can absolutely land a great remote job. The key is focusing on developing your soft skills like communication and problem solving, and learning some basic technical skills that are in high demand. So let's look at the top remote jobs in 2025 that requires little or no experience. Number 1, AI trainer. AI is booming and business need people to train and fine-tune AI tools. Job description: help train AI models, guide users in how to use AI tools. Skills needed: basic understanding of AI, strong communication skills, and problem solving. Average salary is $31.24 per hour. Number 2, content writer. Content is king when it comes to marketing, and businesses are constantly on the lookout for talented writers. Job description: write articles, blog posts, and other types of content. Skills needed: research, writing, attention to detail. Average salary is $40.46 per hour. Number 3, virtual assistant. With businesses moving online, virtual assistants are in high demand to handle administrative tasks remotely. Job description: manage schedule, emails, and administrative tasks. Skills needed: organization, time management, communication. Average salary is $24.40 per hour. Number 4, affiliate marketing coordinator. Affiliate marketing is a fast-growing field offering a great entry point for anyone looking to get into marketing. Job description: manage affiliate programs, track referrals, and assist with online promotions. Skills needed: basic marketing skills, online platform familiarity. Average salary is $24.79 per hour. Number 5, online tutor. Online education is thriving, and there are plenty of opportunities to teach subjects remotely. Job description: teach various subjects to students online. Skills needed: subject knowledge, patience, and communication skills. Average salary is $19 per hour. Number 6, proofreader. Quality content always needs proofreader to ensure it's error-free before live. Job description: review articles, blog posts, and other written content for grammar and formatting. Skills needed: grammar skills, attention to detail. Average salary is $28 per hour. Number 7, online chat representative. As e-commerce continues to grow, so does the need for customer support via chat. Job description: provide customer support through chat platforms. Skills needed: typing skills, problem solving, and communication. Average salary is $21.21 per hour. Number 8, data entry clerk. Data entry is still a reliable, no experience job and can be done remotely. Job description, input and update data into the system. Skills needed, typing speed, attention to detail. Average salary, $19.47 per hour. Number 9, online moderator. As online community grow, moderators are needed to keep things positive and on track. Job description, monitor and manage online interactions. Skills needed, communication and conflict resolution. Average salary, $30.93 per hour. Number 10, project tester. Companies are always looking for a need of feedback from real users to improve their products. Job description, test product and provide feedback. Skills needed, attention to detail and reliability. Average salary is $36.59 per hour. So, what are the most essential skills to help you land a remote job with no experience? Here are the top 5 must-have skills. Communication. Clear and effective communication is crucial in any remote job. Time management. Being able to manage your own time efficiently is the key in remote jobs. Problem solving. Ability to think critically and solve problems on your own. Adaptability. The remote work environment is always evolving, so adaptability is important. Attention to details. Precision is essential in everything from writing to data entry. The best way to find these roles is through job boards like LinkedIn, Indeed, and ZipRecruiter. However, if you want to maximize your chances, make sure you're clear about the specific roles you want and tailor your search accordingly. If you want some help getting started with your job search, check out the free resources I've included in the comments and description below. Trust me, these tools will help you stand out and land the freelancing job you deserve in 2025. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This way you don't miss out on more tips to help you level up your freelancing career. Let's make 2025 the year you take control of your life, your career, and your future. And remember, all the free resources I mentioned are in the link below. Until next time, be freelantastic.